Welcome to OBDSync. I'm Jason, and in today's episode we're going through how to program a replacement power steering control module in a Holden VF Commodore. So first off, we'll click on the module tile. This is then going to begin loading in the module information and available options. If you haven't licensed this module already, it will show the licensing screen now. After you've licensed the module, you can come back and perform any of the flashing and learn actions at any time. You can view and read and clear DTCs for free. You can click the cancel button on the licensing if you do want to look at DTCs. So first off, we're going to click on the flashing tab along the top and we're going to click on write. This is going to put the required calibrations into this module. Do make sure you have a battery maintainer fitted, since flashing can take several minutes if it needs to do an operating system update. In this circumstance, we're doing a calibration only write, since our operating system is the same and correct, and we'll see it only takes a few seconds to do the calibration, so that's now done. Whereas if we had to do an operating system, that could have taken a few minutes. But as we're done, we'll press OK on a little pop-up. We're going to go over to the learn functions, and we're going to perform the VIN security link first. So go ahead and press go. This is going to write the vehicle VIN into the module to perform its security linking. So this usually takes about 30 seconds to complete-ish. There we go, we're now done. We can press OK, and then we can perform our final learn procedure, which is the power steering soft stops reset. So we need to make sure we've got the engine on. We need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left until it stops, all the way to the right until it stops, center the steering wheel, and then press OK. So I've sped up this section just a little bit so that we weren't waiting for so long, and I'll go ahead and click on the OK button now. That just clears up the procedure, and now we're completed and that is all done. Final thing to do, head over to the DTCs. We're going to go ahead and clear any pending or history faults that we've had. We can then read it out to see if we have anything else. Otherwise, that's it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.